In this episode, I'm going to show you how to change your LinkedIn account name. After creating your LinkedIn account, maybe you have a change of name and you want to update your LinkedIn account name, but you don't know how. In this episode, I'm going to show you quick steps on how to update your LinkedIn account name. So make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your LinkedIn home feed, on the top left corner, proceed to click on your profile icon. Among the list of menus here, navigate to click on view profile, which is under your LinkedIn name. So my current LinkedIn name is Mubarick Mohammed. So if I want to change this, I can proceed to click on this edit icon. So under basic info, I have the ability to change my first name, the last name, and if I have any additional name, I can add it here. So after the necessary changes have been made, I can proceed to click on save. So this will basically update my current LinkedIn account name. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see more content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.